Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color and white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O N E 1, 2 T W O 2, 3 T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4 F O U R 4, 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color S I X 6, 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8 E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9 N I N E 9, 10 T E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids last numbers of 15. The numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.